Good morning, everyone, once again. I'm indeed privileged and honored to start the proceedings of the day by inviting our chief guest for the day, Shri Anshuman Das, CMD NALCO, Shri Satyajyoti Mahanti, who's the director of Z Estates, Chairman Sir Dr. Bijay Kumar Sahu. Thank you, dignitaries. And now I request our esteemed chairman, Dr. Bijay Kumar Sahu, to please give his welcome address.
Good morning, children. Are you all unwinding? Sure. Thank you. Esteemed chief guest of the morning, Sri Anshuman Das, Chairman and Managing Director of National Aluminium Company Limited, one of the world's largest aluminum manufacturing companies, the pride of India, a Navaratna company, being headed by a son of the soil, Sri Anshuman Das. We thank him profusely for having agreed to be our chief guest for this morning, in spite of his busy schedule, and he has been a series of meetings. He agreed to be with the children because he said he likes children. And that's one more reason why he likes me so much, and he agreed to come here. Children unwind is a great activity, and we are happy that we have Satyajyoti Mahanti of Z Estates, who has been for the last 2 years agreed to institute one award, which is called the Holistic Parenting Award, which is the highest honor for the parents of our school, based on the parent who has really done holistic parenting of the child, for the child to excel in the highest in the school, giving the highest mark in the board, as well as all-rounder. So as we profess that we actually do holistic parenting here, so we honor the parent, and we thank Z Estate and Satyajyoti Mahanti, Director of Z Estate, to have sponsored this award. I like to thank the effort that the entire Unwind team, who have done exceedingly good work for the last 2 months, working so hard to make this Unwind successful. Give a big hand to the team Unwind 2013. Amazing work done by these students. Unwind is an activity which is planned, executed by the students of class 11th, especially the commerce students of class 11th, for whom this is a business project. And the entire surplus of this goes for a good community service project. In the past 2 years, we have adopted the blind school, and with the surplus of Unwind as well as our partner school from UK, we not only did the sensory wall, the first of its kind sensory wall for the blind school students, also our students spent time there, given them walking sticks, braille books. We also take pride in our students, out of the surplus, establishing the library, girls' toilet for Patia High School. And we are happy to be associated, our children to be associated such projects. This gives them the feeling for the community. We are also thankful to the parents who have been always a great support and making this school one of the top in the country as far as parental involvement is concerned. Let's give a big hand to all our parents. With this, I once again thank you all. The Unwind has just started, and I'm sure this year Unwind will have more than 10,000 people coming to this place. The fever has just begun. Lots to go. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, so much for your kind words. May I now take the privilege to invite our chief guest for the day to address us.
Chairman, Sai International School, Dr. Vijay Sahu, Trustee, Ma'am Shilpi Sahu, the guests of the unwind function, the staff, principal and staff of the school, and last but not the least, my dear children. It's indeed a pleasure to be present in such an ambience after many years when I left school. I must profusely thank, if I can call Mr. Vijay Sahu, Vijay is a junior student of mine. I profusely thank him for giving me this opportunity. It's always a pleasure to be in the school with the children, because that is the only way you connect yourself to the happy, old and carefree days that you left behind long time back. I was deeply impressed with the school. I had heard a lot about the school. Some of the staff are known to me. Some of my friends, children did here. But today was the first opportunity I got to come and see the school myself. And I'm deeply impressed that in a place like Bhubaneswar, a truly international school has been built. But all that I would like to tell you is that while you are spending your time with the school, with your friends and all that, you don't let your childhood get spoiled with the worry of a future. Pursue what you feel is the best. A good health, a good mind and a good soul is all that you need. And there is a world of opportunity in front of you. I'm sure with the kind of inputs that you get, the kind of facilities that you get, you'll be able to rise and have a great future ahead. Now, while you do so, this kind of a function which you call unwind, which is, I believe, you have got many stalls, you'll be doing some element of a commercial activity, and the proceeds of this function will be spent in charity. That's also is a very good effort. In fact, in our parlance, we call it corporate social responsibility. Instead of that, you are having a child's social responsibility. So this is a very good effort. You must continue doing it. And I'm sure this function will grow from strength to strength, year over year, and the school will also grow from strength to strength, year over year. So my dear children, unwind, experiment, explore, and the world is all yours. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of wisdom and, of course, sparing your valuable time to come and spend some time amidst us. Now we are extremely proud and honored to present the second Holistic Parenting Award to Srimati and Shri Deepak Somani, and I request Shri Satyajyoti Mahanti, Director of Z Estates, to kindly hand over the prize along with the CMD of NALCO. Can we please have a big round of applause for the proud parents? It's indeed a moment of privilege and honor for them. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, ma'am. And I'm sure we will have many more pioneers following Shreya Somani's footsteps. Can I request Shri Deepak Somani to speak a few words?
Good morning, everybody. It's a matter of indeed great pleasure. If a parent is, getting award for the deed of their words, I want to share this award with all of my teachers of this Sai International School who have helped them, who have helped her with the great guidance, motivation and support and encouragement. And she is wholly indebted to get this kind of support from our teachers. And I'm really proud that our teachers gave that kind of support to her. And I thank Sai International School for introducing this kind of unique award, which always give the parents some kind of, great feeling when their children do something great. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. May I request our principal, Shri Harish Sanduja, to give the vote of thanks. Sir, please.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank everyone, each one of you who is present here, and who is unwinding with us, because this is an institutionalization process where we all get together and do something which is close to our hearts, and it is for a common cause. And the common cause obviously is to give certain strategies and certain skills to our children so that they can be lifelong learners. And this is an important step in that. And I would like to thank all the parents, first of all, who could be here today. Before I officially thank each one who has made this event possible, I would like to remind you that we have had a lot of sponsors with us, and among them the first one is NALCO itself and Z Estates. I would like to thank them with a big smile and with, I think we can all clap for them because these are our primary sponsors. We would also like to thank MCL, Airtel, Lalchand Jewelers, Honda, Skoda, Club Mahindra, Audi, Gupta Powers, Yazdani and Udyan Fresh for sponsoring this event. It's a big help from their side that they had shown faith in all of us for coming with us to make this event possible. I would also like to thank MD NALCO, Shri Ansuman Das ji, for sparing time and coming here in this event. Thank you, sir, for being with us today. I would also like to thank a friend and a neighbor, Satyajyoti Mohanty sir, that he could come here. Thank you so much for finding out time. He's also a proud parent of Sai International School. I would also like to thank all the parents here who are coming and making this event successful. And the team Unwind, I think the young students of class 11, they deserve a big round of applause from all of us for making it all possible and for getting such an important learning at this young stage, which generally people and students who are doing MBAs or any other professional course, they get exposed to this kind of learning. But these children have been exposed and they have come up with flying colors in getting all this thing done, and I would like to thank this team of Unwind. I also would like to thank the teachers and the staff of Sai International School who has been relentlessly working hard with us so that this event is possible. The admin staff and all the bhaiyas and didis who have worked hard to make this event possible. Thank you all for being with us. Thank you once again.